Log into Firepower Chassis Manager, go to Platform Settings then NTP. Click Add and put your NTP server IP. Click the current time for manual set time zone and save the configure. Find SSH set status to enabled. If required, set access list to restrict SSH to specific IPs, then click Save. Click Enable SNMP, click Add Community String as hostname, enter contact and location. Click Save. Click Add SNMP trap and set IP of host, hostname, port like 161 and set version, then click OK. Find HTTPS service, ensure it is enabled 443. AAA configuration for TACACS, set timeout and add TACACS provider's details. Now set DNS, add DNS server's IP and click the Save. If you have Syslog server, then set the Syslog configuration like me. You can set access list for SSH and HTTPS services. This is your chassis name and URL.